You're talking of
Absolutely,
Prince's
Navdeep.
leadership, magnetic leadership
Yes,
course.
The
Yes.
Magnetic Leadership
yes,
Secret
yes,
Program.
yes.
Actually,
Right,
Navdeep,
right.
uh, whatever we do in life, and that is, I'm also saying generally, but that is also so very true for the film industry, for this industry. Your other skills, how you meet people, how much acting you know, what can you deliver on the set, is not more, and I'm exaggerating when I say 10%, is not more than 10% of what is required. The other 90% that's required is all about your mindset, about your emotions. And how do I know this? I have struggled with it for more than 16 years. If there was anything that made me squirm, that made me writhe in pain, that made me go through the toughest situations in my life, that was not money, that was not lack of work, that was not networking. It was my own thoughts turning against me. It were my own emotions working against me. And it was a trap. I didn't know how to get myself out of it. If I'm thinking something, I didn't know how to start thinking the other thing. If I'm feeling something, I did not know how to dig myself out of it. And this happens to most of the people. Sometimes you're in a low mood, then you kind of either wait it out or you exercise or you dance it out and you kind of get out of it. What happened with me was an acute case of depression where my muscles froze, my face froze. Like I went on stage and I just couldn't act. I started forgetting my lines and I just didn't know what was happening to me. I know I was feeling bad. Something had happened in my life, but I didn't know how to dig myself out of it. And now the feedback effect of this is that when you start feeling like this, you start magnetizing more and more of such experiences, more and more such people who take advantage of you, more and more such situations that make you feel the same. So it was not that I was lying in a pit. That pit was getting deeper and deeper. So I said, if I don't dig myself out of it, what's going to happen? And this workshop has been an distillation and essence of my journey out of that pit and how to stay out of it. And I realized that every industry, every workplace is actually designed to not test your skills, not to test your capability, but to test your strength, inner strength. And if you don't have that inner strength, if you don't have the wherewithal to get out of this trap of negative thoughts and negative emotions, and it does not matter how much talent you have, how much capability you have, you will always be stuck. So the moment I realized this about my life and I got myself out of it, I also take acting workshops, but every time I would take acting workshops, I would always feel, but this is not fundamental. There is something that is at the foundation of this. There is something that is at the root of this. And unless I am telling people that, then I'm actually doing a disservice by teaching them acting. This is like tell somebody how to drive a car and then leave them in very difficult terrain. Even though they know how to drive a car, if they don't know anything about the terrain, if they don't know how to handle the terrain, they are likely to crash. So on a one-on-one basis, I would constantly be counseling people, telling people, do this, not do that. But I always felt that I needed to have a program because I felt that when I came to Bombay, if somebody told me the mindset aspect, the psychological aspects, the emotional aspects, I would be somewhere else today and I wouldn't, still be here. I focused too much on my acting skills. I focused too much on, learning the trade, but not how to survive the trade, how to survive this industry. And I think that is the fundamental part. That is 90% of what we do. And unless somebody learns that, it's going to be very, very difficult to, you know, um, what should I say, to navigate yourself through this terrain. Which is why I have come up with this program and I'm really excited about it. And now I'm on this journey with like 6 people where I'm taking them through the level 2 and I'm feeling really good about it because finally, I've gotten out of the stage of simply just talking about it. Now I am actually taking people through this journey. And after, the 48 days are complete and we've already completed almost 4 weeks. We are now into the 5th week. There are 2 more weeks remaining. I'm actually, people are seeing big shifts, and I'm really excited to see what happens after the 48 days are over and they start taking this into their life. So yes, I'm very excited about it. I'm like,
That's really powerful, Prince. That's really powerful.
yeah, yeah, yeah.